it's funded by doesn't have anything to do with it. It's like school property. School property is private property. If they want you removed from that
Depending on
property,
the schools.
no, public school is private property. It's owned by the school district. Okay, and if they want you removed from that, you can be removed from that property. Okay, just like the sheriff's office. Okay, it's not public property. Public property would be like this sidewalk right here.
Which I'm not on there.
When I drove up, you were in their parking lot up there by the office. Okay, so that's.
And I was never told. I was never told to leave either.
You didn't give us a chance either. You took off running.
Nah, I wasn't detained at the time either.
No, but we've gotten to that point now where we're talking to you about it. So once we find out, then we'll go from there.
All right.
Once you criminally trespass, then we'll do that.
So you guys, man. So if I'm not detained, I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna go ahead and leave. Okay. Okay. I'm just waiting on you guys to disperse.
We're not going to. We're staying here until we get an answer.
Okay.
And we don't have to leave either. You don't have to tell us to disperse because we don't have to. We can do them however we want to go.
I guess.
Yeah.
I guess.
Okay.
I would like to have the sheriff come out here to confirm your criminal trespass too. Well, I'm not gonna take your word for it.
You don't have to.
I'm not gonna take your word for it, man. I would rather have a sheriff tell me. So I have that right. I have that right.
You know, if they tell us to do that, then we'll do it.
Okay.
That's our legal right.
Well, we'll see. You seem kind of bored. You know,
I'd rather be doing with real crime instead of fake people like this.
Well, you can leave.
You think they know the law.
I do know the law.
Oh, I'm sure
I
you
may
do.
not know all the laws. That I'll give
I
you.
agree with that.
That I'll give you. But I know enough.
The police warned him that if he was criminally trespassed, he would have to leave, or else he could be arrested. They tried to intimidate him by saying this. However, the man did not show any signs of worry. He knew the law was on his side as long as he did not step onto private property or break any rules.
Alright, Sheriff said you need to leave the property.
I am on the sidewalk.
Okay, then keep walking.
I am on the sidewalk. This is not their property. How about you disperse, and when you guys leave, I'll leave.
How about you keep running your dumb mouth?
Why you gotta be so mean?
I'm not mean. You're just making a fool out of yourself.
You're calling me dumb.
So let's get something. I want you to understand something, okay?
Yep.
If you go back on the property over here, the sheriff's office property, that's the parking lot, their property, anywhere around there, okay? And we come back and see you there, you'll be arrested and you'll go to jail, okay? So don't do that.
I mean,
Sidewalk's okay.
I mean, if you want a lawsuit, go ahead.
It's not about whether we want a lawsuit or
I'm just
not.
saying,
It's about you're being criminally trespassed from that
From
property.
a public facility, man. It's
not a public
So what if I
facility.
need to?
So can you walk in there right now?
Right now, it's closed.
Exactly.
That don't mean
That means it's not open
it's
to the
not
public
a
right
public
now. So
It is a public facility.
No, it's
It is.
private property. Belongs to the county. That makes it private property.
Nah.
Yes, it does.
Who funds the county?
It doesn't matter who pays for it.
I pay
has nothing
taxes,
to
so
do-
therefore
yes.
I fund the
And
county.
that has nothing to do with whether it's private property or not.